Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Nurajijah, student at IKIP Siliwangi, Bandung. So on this video, I'm gonna talk about my summary of the journal article. So as an introvert, I really interested about how the community techniques can affect the learning process. So I found this article. The title is The Effectiveness of Learning Community Techniques on English Essay Writing Skills. The author is Francais and Leroy Holman Siahaan and published in 2023. So this is the introduction of the article. Writing skills are the most difficult for second language learners to master. The difficulty lies in how to generate and organize ideas and how to put ideas into text form. So that writing is considered the most difficult talent for students to master because it is not only generates thoughts but also allows the conversion of these ideas into perceptual text. So this research is designed to measure the effectiveness of learning community techniques on English essay writing skills based on the result of preliminary observation, which show that students had some problems related to the result of their writing skills, which still need to achieve the expected aims. And this is the method of the research. This research is used a classroom action research method involving 13 students as a research sample. This research used quantitative and qualitative data for the data collecting techniques. Quantitative data was taken from the pre-test and post-test result, and qualitative data was taken during observation and action. So this is the discussion and the result of the article. At this stage, the description of the research result is divided into three discussion, which include recycle result, cycle 1, and cycle 2. The result obtained at each stage were calculated as the average value to see the level English essay writing skill that the respondents or students had achieved. So this is the pre-cycle result. The result of pre-test show that 13% of respondents' English writing skill were at the last level, and 43.3% of the respondents were at the enough level. So based on this data, the pre-test respondents' average score was 43.47. So the second one is action result cycle 1, which is the lecturer was implied the community techniques and the learning process. So based on the findings, the score in the category of very good and good ability level in English essay writing skill only amounted to 13 students, while at the level of sufficient and poor ability, there were 17 students. And the third one is action result cycle 2. So based on the findings, the score in the category of very good and good ability level in English essay writing skills only amounted to 22 students, while at the level of sufficient and poor ability, there were 8 students. And this is the table of the increasing student activity from cycle 1 to cycle 2, and improving English essay writing skill from cycle 1 to cycle 2. As you can see on my screen, there is a significant level from the student, and it is the positive impact. So the conclusion of this research is the application of learning community techniques to students' English skills has a positive impact, especially on the development of students in writing essay. This is because these activities provide benefits in increasing student active participation in the learning process, facilitating students and lecturers to share information and discuss. The role of communication and interaction that often occurs involves cognitive process between lecturers and students, or students with others, and ideas and experiences to be able to solve a problem in learning process, so that with the learning techniques, students can gain more knowledge and skill in language, especially English essay writing skill. So this is the references of my slide. You can copy the link if you want to read this article. So everyone, I think that's all for me. I hope you are healthy and happy inside and out. I'm Ainur Ajijah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.